Hi, this is Joseph, and in this video we're going to do a quick update on some of the results that my coaching students have had as a result of going through the Pips in the Bank program. Now, first of all, you're going to get access to all these different strategies. On this particular video, we're going to talk about the trades that have been executed over the past few days, and specifically, obviously you could probably tell by my charts here, we're looking at a continuation breakout trade. So we had a continuation breakout trade. I actually called out this trade live in the chat room when I work with my coaching students. With the Pips in the Bank, you do get access to the chat room, and then if you're in the chat room with me, I can call out these trades, or I can send you out the instant notification through that program that we have that gives you instant notice whenever there's a signal. But going back to this particular trade here, just in the last two trades that I'm going to show you, I had one coaching student earn approximately 135 pips on these trades. As a result of that, this coaching student is using standard lots. So I'm not saying that you're going to actually experience the same results, because it really depends on the amount of money and capital that you have available to trade. That's what determines how much you can, of course, put on a trade and how much money you're going to earn on your trades. But as a result of taking just these two trades that I'm going to show you today, we just closed them today, and this coaching student, this student that went through the Pips in the Bank, the same program that you're about to go through, he was able to earn over $6,000. And I'm going to share with you how he did that. He's trading standard lots. So he's earning approximately $10 per pip. So on the euro dollar, for example, he can earn about $10 a pip, but on the euro yen, obviously it's going to be a little bit different. So he was able to earn approximately, or just over $6,000 this morning. He had 5 lots open on each position. Now that does require quite a bit of capital, but I just wanted to show you how much money could be potentially earned with a trading system like this. But it's not mandatory that you use an account like that, because I have other students that went through the program. They executed the same trades and they were trading mini lots, earning $1 a point approximately. And some of them are executing anywhere from 2 lots, or the equivalent of 2 lots, to 5 or 10 lots on those mini accounts. So this is just going to give you an idea of how much could be potentially earned on a single trading day. And this isn't something that we do every single day, but this is pretty average. I really have to be honest with you to tell you that there are days when we might not see any continuation breakout trades, but it's just a matter of waiting for the next day or the following day when we get that catalyst that creates the breakout. Now, we were talking about all of this, and you can see the setup down here after FOMC yesterday. FOMC was what caused this trading in this reversal pattern here, where it closed above that resistance point. This gave us that continuation breakout trade. And on that closed candle right there, that gave us an entry of 137.76. There's a 3 pip entry that's required for the continuation breakout trade, and that helps us determine if this is going to be a solid trade that we could expect the trend to continue instead of just being a head fake. That's one of our final lines of defense. Now, again, this was as a result of FOMC, and we talked about this yesterday before that, because earlier in the week, we've been selling this pair, earning anywhere from 20 to 30 pips to the downside on these short-term trades. Once the market opened for trading this week, we've been selling this pair. But again, we were waiting for this opportunity. It bounced, created that continuation breakout trade. And the reason that we took the first 80 pips, which is from the entry of 137.76 to 138.56, this gave us 80 pips approximately profit on this trade. We didn't hold for the 150, and the reason is, here's resistance from last week. With the euro dollar, which was the other trade that we took, this was the euro dollar, and this was the continuation breakout trade after FOMC yesterday. The structure is still more or less the same as what you saw in the euro dollar, the euro yen, but this was a 55 pip target. That's it. That's all we trade when we trade the continuation breakout trades. Our entry was 1.1124, and we traded it to 1.1179. That's the 55 pip target. That's all we do on the euro dollar. On the euro dollar, pound dollar, we trade it to a 55 pip target. That's it. On the yen crosses, it is different because they move much further. So we earned 55 pips here and 80 pips on the other currency pair, the euro yen, just this morning alone. Now I can show you how to do the same thing, and I can walk you through these trades, and I walk each of my students through this process. And methods like this, including the HL30 and the Tech 1 trades and all those reversals that I teach you, this is going to help you build a powerful trading business that you can count on every single day. You can earn enough money every single month to be able to send that money home and pay your bills, live off your trading results. You can retire, you can quit from your current job or the business that you're operating, and you can truly make profits just like this, and I'm going to be there to help you. So all you have to do to get started is click the purchase button on this page, and you'll get immediate access to all of the material, and we can get you started on this process right away. Thanks for watching this video.